Hi guys, welcome back to Hayi. Listen, thank you so much for tuning in and for watching these videos. I really appreciate it, and I appreciate y'all so much. So today is episode 8 of How to Speak Xitsonga. We have ran out of time. Like, we're running out of time at this point. I'm just like, if you haven't watched those videos, I don't know, you have to go back and watch them, and I'm gonna link the playlist down below so you guys can just go back and watch it over and over again and all that good stuff. All right, so today's episode is about how to identify with a Tsonga speaking person or even the culture itself, right? As different tribes and cultures and traditions, we have expressions, like how we react to certain things, and those kind, like, you cannot finish a sentence or even a conversation without inserting those words. For example,
find that he is dating another girl. Way Chereb.
Musha does it for me, really. That expression just tells you, like, go bad, go rough, like it's difficult, So we also have them in Xitsonga, and I'm gonna give you 10 of those just so you get involved in the conversation, and okay, fine, when a person says that must be that they are Tsonga. One, the first thing that you need to know is yi. Like, when somebody says that, especially if you can see their face and read them, just know something is probably wrong with your body, or you are acting weird. It's like a shock. Like, and then what happened? The second one is Hayi, like stop. Like, I'm not in the mood for that. Stop. With me, I like to use it also when I'm just like, I want somebody to stop, but not really like like it depends on like your body language. Kuna as in, like, no, like stop, and So number 3, Evo. When somebody says Evo, just know they're not gonna do it. Like, it's no, never. Don't even ask me again. Evo. And lawen, I mean, like, do it when yourself. Like, like, no, like, don't. How do you say don't outsmart me. Number 4, my favorite. Halala. Like, that's me all day, every day. I'm just like, when somebody tells me something, or maybe like, yo, when I got this money, I got paid, I'm like, halala. It's like an expression, it's an excitement, man. Like, I'm happy. Yo, I got engaged, halala. You got the man, halala. You know what I mean? Like, it's, yeah. I use it a lot, and it's very embarrassing to this point because I don't even care if I'm at church. Somebody could just be preaching good. I'm just like, halal. I'm like, for me, it's just like, I'm happy. Number 5, Mhane. When somebody says Mhane, just know go bed. I remember this, like, other time, I was chased by a smallanyana, like a puppy. Yeah, Mara actually, like, it looked like it had some stamina nyana to catch me and to chow me or stuff like that, So the first thing that comes out of my mouth all the time, anytime that I'm in trouble or feel like I'm in danger, Mhane, like my mother, somehow, even if she's not there, she will protect me. I don't know. It's just like, comment down below, let me know if you also do this, like, or if maybe it's a Tsonga thing, I don't know. Number 6, iya. When somebody says iya to you, there's no hope for your future or whatever you're doing. They've given up on you. Iya. Next thing, next. Like, it's just a complete loss of interest. Number 7, Ayheyhe. When somebody says Ayheyhe, but I feel like I've heard this in other cultures as well. When somebody says Ayheyhe, that means like something is coming for you, and it's either you run for your life, or if you stick it out, you must be able to survive. You know what I mean? Like, Ayheyhe, yo, like, I broke my mother's glass. Ayheyhe, you mean what's coming for you? Your mother is gonna sit. Wala. Number 8, Hala. I like to say hala, especially when, like, it's like the joke is super funny, especially like on WhatsApp, like when you're communicating with someone and you can't, honestly, like, LOL is just, for me, when somebody says LOL, I just feel like my joke wasn't funny enough. But hala is like, like when you, like, you laugh until, like, you hit the floor with your what you call this, what do you call this, the back of your head. Number 9, yeshesh. When somebody says yeshesh, we usually do it with the hands. Yeshesh. I'm like, there it goes. Like, I I've given up. This expression, for me, when somebody says it, I feel like you must have tried everything in your life, or even with that person. Last one, number 10. G. This almost got me hit by this other guy. So it was like the four of us, my friends, and we were just like walking, taking a walk. So a drunk guy comes by, in the opposite direction, and he's holding like a cigarette. So he wants to like smoke the cigarette, but he drops it, and because he's so drunk he can't see what's happening. So even in the way that he's looking for it, it made us like laugh to a point where we said, gee, like we were like wondering, because you see catch it later that he was actually drunk in the way that he was like acting and all that. Immediately he turned. I was like, that was, we ran for our lives, because that just shows him good. We are looking at him and we are judging him. I have never ran for my life like that, because he was about to hit us. Okay, so anyways, I gotta go, you guys, and I love you so much. I'm gonna see you guys next time. If you want to contact me, I'm gonna link my email right here and even down below. All right, because a lot of you guys have been asking me how can you get in touch with me, so do that. Prior requests, any questions, all of that, send me an email and I will get back to you. No Skype, no video calls, guys. I cannot just video call anybody, that's just like a little dodgy, because you never know what you're gonna see, and I don't want to be traumatized for life. Thanks for watching. Bye.